Let's see how Wi-Fi signal strength affect device connection. First, let's connect both the devices to the switchboard. Once installed, they'll power up and begin searching for a Wi-Fi signal. Once the Wi-Fi is on and there's no barrier in between, the device gets around 80% signal. That's because it's placed inside the casing and switchboard. Now let's say there's a brick wall in between. The signal drops to around 45%. Walls absorb more signal, making the connection weaker. That's because the wall acts as a barrier, absorbing and reflecting the Wi-Fi signals. If there's a wooden surface in between, the signal drops to around 50%. Wood blocks less than brick, but still weakens the signal a bit. With glass in between, the signal holds better, around 65%. Glass reflects some signal, but lets more through compared to wood or brick. To improve signal strength, here are a few quick tips that can help your smart device stay connected and responsive. Place your Wi-Fi modem at the center of your home, away from thick walls or metal objects. And if the signal still doesn't reach far enough, just add a Wi-Fi extender. It boosts the range and keeps your smart devices connected even in distant rooms. You can always check your device connection in the Smart Life app. Just go to Check Device Network to see the signal strength of your device in real time. Thanks for spending your time with us. Stay connected. Stay smart.